Welcome back to the fastest tech tutorials on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to copy, cut, and paste. First I'm going to pull up a Google Doc and a website. And then I'm going to highlight the text from the website I want to copy. I'm going to press Control-C, click over to my Google document, and press Control-V. And I'm going to press Control-Z to undo. And now I'm going to press Control-Shift-V to paste without formatting. So doing this command will paste whatever text I've copied, but it will match the format of the text that is already in the Word document. Now to highlight over this text real quick, I'm going to press Shift and the left arrow key. And I have everything highlighted, and now I'm going to press Control-X to cut. And I can press Control-V again to paste, and that's it.